NextGen calculates the most efficient way to break up or combine the excavation entities you have created and assign them to locate requests. In this example, NextGen has determined that 4 tickets are required to cover the excavation area. These tickets are represented by the tabs located in the upper left corner of the screen, temporarily named Ticket A, B, C, and D. If you see a red exclamation point, it means the ticket is missing required information that must be entered before the ticket can be released. There will be a matching exclamation point in the section where the information is missing, and a red border around each required field that is empty. The red globe icon indicates the mapping on that ticket has not been reviewed. You must review the mapping on each ticket before they can be released. The green chain link icon indicates that Group Edit mode is on. Group Edit mode allows you to make changes to all tickets in the current session simultaneously. You can toggle Group Edit mode on and off by clicking on it. Fill out the information on each ticket as accurately as possible. In this example, all tickets have a common customer, Patrick Danville. With Group Edit mode on, entering the customer's name in the Work Done For field will carry over to all 4 tickets. The same will be true for the trenchless excavation and explosives questions. Turning Group Edit mode off allows for entering information on each ticket individually. In this example, the purpose of excavation and the type of equipment will vary on each ticket, so we'll fill out those fields in individual edit mode. Now that excavation information has been filled out, the red exclamation point is no longer visible on Ticket A. NextGen automatically generates marking instructions based on the mapping and data you entered on the previous page. It should describe the worksite in great detail. If the location description is inaccurate, you may need to return to the mapping stage and remap the area. Continue filling out and reviewing the tickets on your list. If you run into trouble, remember to consult the map on the right side of the page. Again, if necessary, you can return to the mapping section and remap the area. When you have finished filling out and reviewing all of your ticket's information, click the Next button. This will take you to the Ticket Disposition page. Here you can edit the ticket type and action NextGen will take with each ticket. You will need to select a start date and time using the calendar and drop-down menus. Consult the Session Disposition table for an overview of each ticket. When you are ready, click the Submit button. This will activate the action assigned to each ticket, which typically means releasing the tickets to the affected utilities. You will also be presented with the utility notification list. Depending on your privileges, each ticket should now display a ticket number along with its temporary name. You may now choose to start a new ticket, click Finished to view your current ticket list, or log out.